So we need to do a lot of things, and we don't have a lot of hours without that heat. No tenemos muchas horas sin ese calor tan intenso y tenemos que hacer hartas cosas, así que voy a empezar por terminar de trasplantar las estacas de Monstera Adansonii. I'm gonna start by finish transplanting or potting actually the Monstera Adansonii cuttings that are down there. First, I need to make some room here. Necesito hacer un poco de espacio. And we're gonna use this. I ordered these pots by mistake. I mean, the order said that they were a different size. The order said that they were supposed to be 5 inches and they gave me 3 inches. But I still have to use them. I also bought some lava rock. Compré un poco de esa piedra volcánica. I just ordered more because it was too little, the quantity. Acabo de pedir más porque la cantidad era muy pequeña que me dieron. So today I'm going to be using a different soil with lava rock. Just going to be doing this to fill the pots. This pot comes with a big hole under there, so you must be aware of that to try to protect it with something at the beginning, not to clog it, but yeah, we're gonna fill a couple of these pots right away. Just full right there. There's several plants, like probably at least 10 plants over here. Por lo menos 10 plantas ahí. And I don't like to put them together like how they usually sell them. The roots are all tangled. No me gusta poner las plantas juntas. O sea, hartos cuttings en un macetero. Que las raíces se quedan todas juntas después. Se enredan. So I'm going to be doing individual pots. Voy a hacer potes individuales. And if I can't sell them, si no los puedo vender, I'll see what I do with them in the future. If someone wants for free also, it's fine. Because like I already have more cuttings from the first time I got that plant that are already developing roots. Además tengo otros estacas que ya están sacando raíces. And this is just the first plant. I still have the other one out there. I mean, look at this. Oh yeah, this is the one that we were gonna do with the pole that I also got. We're gonna do this one at the end. Vamos a hacer final. We count 1, 2, 3. We have 9. Yeah, that's good. We're just gonna place them. It's a big root. I don't know if I should cut some of this. I don't want to prune them right now. I may do it once they are already adapted to this new soil on the pot. No las quiero podar ahora mismo. And I'll do it when they're adapted. I said it in English again. Pero lo voy a hacer cuando se adapten al macetero. Yeah, because they don't look the prettiest. No se ven super bonitas. But you know what? I prefer them when they're not looking perfect. I want them with their weirdness. Me gusta que tengan sus cosas raras, sus imperfections. That's nature, right? Así es la naturaleza. So I have 3 more. Should I cut this? Yeah. Let's cut that. Let's cut that one. that one there. And I think like this way I also will be able to see when they grow the roots. You also have to give them some water because they don't have any, and the soil is not moist or anything. Yeah, to me it's way better like this because they're more manageable, and you can decide what you want to do with the plant in the future. Así pues tú mismo elegir qué es lo que hacer con la planta en el futuro. You decide the shape you want to give it, puedes decir la forma que le quieres dar, if you want to grow it in dirt or in leca, si lo quieres hacer crecer en tierra o en arcilla, if you want to put them together, if you want to hang them, si los quieres colgar, si los quieres poner juntos, si you want to put like on a stake over there that I did as an experiment, como eso que hice ahí atrás como experimento. Yeah, okay, but this is good. Now we're going to use our watering tool. That's right. Yeah. Also remember to subscribe and like and share and all that. Recuerda compartir, darle like, suscribirse. TikTok and YouTube for now. YouTube and TikTok. Rodrigo's indoor garden. Here we go. And I think we're gonna leave them like this for now. Vamos a dejar así por ahora. And get ready for that one now. So this is the stake that I got the other day on the ground. It's a birch, but I think it's too big for the pot that I want to use. Creo que es muy grande para el pote que quiero usar. Es un palo de abedul. See, because this is the one I want to use, and I feel like I'm gonna cut it right here. Que lo voy a cortar acá, and then I'm gonna have two more here. And now we have to try to not make a mess, so the doesn't get mad. Let's do it like this. Let's hope it goes okay. Okay, one right here. There we go. We have three now. Yeah, we're just gonna use the big one. That's what she said. So we're gonna fill this room with dirt. Vamos a llenar este con tierra. Also, let's do this first. It's not that small. Like that. Pretty secure. Feels. Now, okay. I don't know if this is gonna be. I don't know if it's gonna make much sense because, like, well, I think it still looks good, but it is short. It's shorter than the other ones, actually. You can just trim it. Tiene suficientes raíces para sobrevivir, so. Yeah, let's trim it like this. Right. Yeah, it looks good. That's the end of this video. And this, I don't know. I don't know what to do with it. No sé qué voy a hacer con esto todavía. Because I have a lot. Tengo un montón. So, see you later. Nos vemos. Chau.